Hey, what's going on out there? This is Wayne with Tri County Locksmith Service, and this is that master lock that we cut with the bolt cutters. Even though it has shackle shrouding, we were still able to just go ahead and kind of crush that, move it out of the way, and still let the jaws access the cutting bar. Even though the lock is kind of designed so that doesn't happen. You can see it actually just split the case. So for this one, it had the rubber on here, but the rubber kind of stinks when we cut it. So I'm going to throw that away, and we're going to pop these rivets off and see what we've got. can start to see what this thing is made of. Actually cooled down to where we can touch it. So you can see how this one operates as well. As it moves all the little gears and everything back and forth inside there. Take it apart a little further. You can see that once again, all that's holding this together is this teeny tiny little cylinder with 4 teeny tiny little pins and not much else in between there. We might be able to get inside this. See what's inside here. Cylinder. And that's all there is that's going to be to it. All this grease and stuff down in here would eventually attract dirt and aggregates and things like that, you know, and kind of start to mess up the functioning of the lock, but that's pretty much what's inside there. So, you know, keep that in mind and think about that when you're choosing a padlock. What's at the heart of your lock? Is it this, or is it something a whole lot bigger and better? For more information, check out the website below. Please subscribe so we can do more stuff like this and do testing and provide content and entertainment for you. Subscribe, take a few minutes, subscribe right now, and share with your social media. Post it to Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is that you guys do. Thanks for watching.